warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nur Safina and
Dara Siti Arvena.
we are 11-7. Here we will read a fairy tale about the little sparrow and the old tree, yaitu burung pipit dan pohon tua. Langsung aja ke pembacaan, yaitu The Little Sparrow and the Old Tree. In a lush green forest, there lived a small sparrow. She was weak and often afraid, especially when the strong winds blew. The sparrow always searched for shelter, but no one wanted to take her in. One day, the sparrow flew to an old tall tree. "Old tree, may I rest on your branch?" asked the sparrow nervously. The old tree smiled kindly. "Of course, little sparrow, you may rest on my branch anytime you like." From that day on, the sparrow always stopped by the old tree. She shared stories about the blue sky, the rain, and the rainbow. The old tree felt happy, for he had been standing silently for years without a friend. But one day, a great storm came. The wind howled and shook the forest. The sparrow trembled. "Old tree, I'm afraid the wind will carry me away." The old tree spoke gently. "Do not be afraid, little sparrow. Hold tightly to my branch. I will protect you." The storm finally passed. The sparrow was safe because of the old tree's protection. From the on, the sparrow realized that strength does not always lie in her small wings, but in friendship and kindness. And so, the sparrow and the old tree lived together as true friends in the forest. Moral of the story: true friendship means protecting and caring for each other no matter how different we are. Bahasa Indonesianya akan dibacakan oleh Nur Safina. Langsung.
Burung pipit dan pohon tua. Di sebuah hutan yang rindang, hiduplah seekor burung pipit kecil. Ia lemah dan sering merasa takut, terutama saat angin kencang bertiup. Pipit selalu mencari tempat berteduh, tetapi tak ada yang mau menerimanya. Suatu hari, Pipit terbang ke sebuah pohon tua yang besar dan kokoh. "Pohon tua, bolehkah aku berteduh di cabangmu?" tanya Pipit dengan suara bergetar. Pohon tua tersenyum ramah. "Tentu saja, Pipit kecil, kau boleh berteduh di cabangku kapan saja." Sejak hari itu, Pipit selalu singgah di pohon tua. Ia bercerita tentang perjalanannya, tentang langit biru, hujan, pelangi. Pohon tua pun merasa senang karena sebelumnya ia hanya berdiri diam tanpa teman. Namun, suatu ketika datanglah badai besar, angin kencang mengguncang hutan. Pipit ketakutan. "Pohon tua, aku takut akan terbawa angin." Pohon tua berkata lembut, "Jangan takut, Pipit kecil. Peganglah erat cabangku, aku akan melindungimu." Badai pun berlalu. Pipit tetap selamat karena perlindungan pohon tua. Sejak saat itu, Pipit sadar kecil bahwa kekuatan tidak selalu ada pada tubuh kecilnya, tetapi pada persahabatan dan kebaikan hati. Dan hingga kini, burung pipit dan pohon tua hidup saling menjaga, menjadi sahabat sejati di hutan itu. Pesan moral: persahabatan sejati adalah ketika kita saling menjaga meski berbeda bentuk dan kekuatan.
Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.